Hello students, I hope that you are doing well. Today we are going to learn UNC lesson number 4, Demonstrative Pronouns and Adjectives. Demonstratives show where a noun is in relation to the speaker and express its position as near or far. These are 4 words: this, that, these, and those. Demonstratives are having their singular and plural form. This and that refer to singular nouns, while these and those refer to the plural ones. This and these refer to things near the speaker, while that and those refer to objects which are far away from the speaker. So the basic definition says the words this and that and their plurals, these and those, are used both as demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. Their uses are different. When they replace a noun, they are called demonstrative pronoun, but they act as an adjective when they accompany a noun. Now look at these examples. We have used this and that for singular object. Here we are talking about an apple. The first one is closer to us and the second one is far away. This is an apple. That is an apple. So we have used this and that to determine the distance. In picture number 3 and 4, here we are talking about more than one apple. So we have used the plural form, these and those. These are apples, those are apples. So here we have learned that this and that refer to singular nouns, while these and those refer to plural ones. This and these are to be used for closer objects which are nearer to the speaker, and that and those are to be used for those objects which are far away from the speaker. We have learned that demonstratives that, this, these, and those, they are called demonstrative pronouns when they replace a noun. So here are some examples. These examples show the use of demonstrative pronouns. These are nice shoes, but they look uncomfortable. Are those your shoes? This really hurts. Is that hers? This is heavier than that. These are bigger than those. So all the words which are being highlighted are actually showing the use of demonstratives as demonstrative pronouns because they are replacing a noun here. According to the definition, we have learned that demonstratives become demonstrative adjectives when they accompany a noun. So here are some examples. That book is good. Now can you see that book itself is a noun and we are using a demonstrative with it. So it becomes demonstrative adjective. Give me that blue water bottle. I want those beautiful marbles. These mangoes are rotting. I can't forget that incident. This truck is mine. So here, that book, that blue water bottle, those beautiful marbles, these mangoes, that incident, and this truck. All these highlighted words are showing the use of demonstrative adjectives. Here that, those, these, and this are being used as demonstrative adjective because they all are being followed by a noun. So students, do not confuse demonstrative adjectives with demonstrative pronouns. And remember, the words are identical, but their uses are different. Demonstrative adjectives qualify nouns, whereas demonstrative pronouns stand alone. Look at this example. Here a bunny wants to eat a carrot. Yum! Can I have that carrot? That is a demonstrative and it is being followed by a noun, so it becomes demonstrative adjective. And the other bunny says this. No way. The word this is actually replacing the noun the carrot. So it becomes demonstrative pronoun. So demonstratives can be used as demonstrative adjectives or demonstrative pronouns. And there are three basic differences which you need to learn. Demonstrative adjectives modify the noun, while demonstrative pronouns replace the noun. Number two, demonstrative adjectives are followed by a noun, while demonstrative pronouns are not followed by a noun. Number three, demonstrative adjectives are not followed by the main verb, while demonstrative pronouns are often followed by the main verb. These are the basic three differences you need to learn just to identify demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns properly. There are two more examples to explain the use of demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. Look at the first example. I will buy those candles and I will buy those. Here the demonstrative those is being followed by a noun candles, so it becomes demonstrative adjective. While in the second example, I will buy those. Here the demonstrative stands alone, so it becomes demonstrative pronoun. Look at example number 2. Here I like these color pencils and I like these. Here these, the demonstrative is being followed by color pencils, so it becomes demonstrative adjective. And in the second example, I like these. Demonstrative these stands alone, so it becomes demonstrative pronoun. I hope that you have learned the concept very well. So it's a quiz time. I have just made few sentences for you and you need to just fill them up with suitable demonstrative pronouns and adjectives. The question is, complete the sentences with this, that, these and those. And here are 4 blanks. You just need to fill them up. And after completing that, you can recheck the answers in the next slide as well. Your time starts now. I hope that you have done it independently and here you can recheck your answers. Now it's time to solve the exercises, and question number 1 is, read the passage and state whether each word in bold print is a demonstrative pronoun or demonstrative adjective. Do remember, demonstrative pronouns always stand alone, while demonstrative adjectives are followed by a noun. Now read out both the passages and try to find out the use of demonstrative pronouns and adjectives in it. You can find out the answers after doing it independently. In exercise 2, the question is, rewrite the following sentences, replacing the demonstrative adjectives and the nouns they qualify with the demonstrative pronouns. So the example is, that picture is hers. Now that picture shows that here it is being used as demonstrative adjective and we are going to change it. You can change it in 2 ways. That is hers or that is her picture. In the same way, you are going to change all the sentences which they have given. Try them independently and then you can recheck your answers on the next slide. In exercise 3, the question is, change the singular demonstrative pronouns into their plural forms, making other changes in the sentences as well. Look at the example, that is a good piano. They are talking about one piano and here we are going to change it into the plural form. That will be changed into those, and the other changes, those are good pianos. Now you can see that there are other changes as well which we have made in this sentence. In the same way, you are going to change all the sentences. Just try them and you can recheck your answers. Here you can check the answers of exercise 3, but try them independently first and then recheck your answers here. I hope that you have done it correctly and you have understood the concept.